Hello and namaskar and welcome to Everything Innovative. In this video, I will tell about the how to use the LabView software. In the previous video, I told about how to install it from the National Instrument website, and in this video, I will tell how to use. First of all, you will click when you will click on your software, LabView software. You will prompt to the you will ask to your previous project, open the previous project, or you have to um, start the new project. So you will click on new vi, lab ui, then this type of page will open, and this is the front panel and this is diagram. So first of all, you have to align this, and for that you have to click control plus. You have to click here control plus T, and your both the pages will be aligned adjacent to each other. Then here it is the front panel and this is the block diagram. What are the differences? That in the front panel you have to take the all the actions necessarily according to your questions, like you have to take as indicator, you have to take the input, and whatever input you will give in the front panel, and output, like your graph output, graphical representations you will get also in on the front panel. And then what are the use of block diagram? In block diagram you only need to circuit the your diagram, all the necessary equipments you have to make the circuit from that. And after making the circuit, you have to give some connections to them. Just wait, I will tell everything. So first of all, I will be here in the front panel, and if I will right click, then this type of things will open here, and this is the numeric, and then boolean. Here it is graph, and like this there are the many more things. So if I will, as my cursor move on numeric, then this type of page will again open, and here these are the several things, that numeric control indicator and vertical fill slide, vertical pointer slide. And then here you will get knob, dial, meter and gauge, and several other things. So, and just wait, as I will click on right click, and then I will go on numeric, and then numeric control. Just you have to click once, and it will ask where you want to place it. So just, if I want to place it over here, I will move it here and just once click, and it will get placed. And then it is asking, either I have to change the name of it, as here it is written in numeric. And in numeric, what is written is it is the level of that equipment, that is numeric indicator. It is the level, and value I will give from here. And same thing, similar, this type of equipment, that is numeric indicator, will be placed in the block diagram. So look at carefully. I will click here, and I will change the name as, let's say I will click as current, and I am changing the name in the front panel, and this name is also changing in the block diagram page. And I will click here as, I will make it ampere, current in ampere. So just wait. I will click anything anywhere outside the that equipment. Then the level has been changed, and I can change the value from here. I can change it manually as a 6 ampere, or either I can choose from it up down key. So similarly, I can place other equipments also, like here vertical fill slide. And here I have something to show you, that this arrow I can move from here to here, means I am changing the value, like it from 0 to 2, 4, 6, likewise. Okay, so here I have not any pointer. I'm looking at the colors, as what is the value, where is the my which is the uppermost value, like my cursor is at here. So this is this way. So if I don't want this type of thing and I want a pointer slider, then I can go from here, vertical pointer slider. So if I will click here, I will get a pointer, and I can easily place the values or slide it from 0 to 10 or anything else. And one thing more, if I want to increase the size of it, I can also just wait, watch carefully, and this type of arrow will be indicated, and then I can make it like this. Okay, according to your convenience you can change its size. And then in most of the questions there are given the as 0 to 200, 2000, your value will be given in the multiples of hundreds or thousands. So what will you do, as here it is given only to 10, so just click on over here, and let's say your value is given as 1000. So I will just click here 1000 and make it as enter. I will just click the by keeping it 1000, and you can see it is changed from 246 to 0 to 200, 400, 600 in the multiples of 100. Okay, now I can change its slider like this, and here it is written as slide 2, and I can change its name as whatever I want. I can in the according to the question I can change it anything. If question is saying that voltage you have to change manually, according to your according to you, it's up to you whatever value you want to give. So I will click here voltage. Wait, voltage, it's not showing. I will move its size, and yes, now it's done. Okay, and likewise I can take the graph from here, like most probably you will need xy graph only. So just click here and place over here. You can change the name from here, xy graph. I want to set it as current voltage graph. And you can change it also, like it is written as amplitude, you can change it to ampere or volt, and likely vice versa to time. And your graph is also over here. Now now I will move on the block diagram page. So what you can do, you can make the connections on this page in the block diagram. And also, if in the question, according to the question, you have to add something or multiply something or divide something or subtract something, you can do from here. Let's see how it is. We'll click, just right click, and you will get here structure, then you will get here numeric, and likewise timing, and several other things you will get here. So I will show as if you need timing, then you will get here wait in meter second, milliseconds, or tick count, anything. whatever you want, and you can go on numeric, and you will get here addition, subtraction, multiply and divide, and several other things you will get from here. So I will just tell you about uh, what are the important things, because in depth you will be told in your lecture sessions from the professors. So these were the basics knowledge about how to use the LabView software, and that's all. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can comment below, or you will definitely uh, get your doubt solver from your professors. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and share it to the person who is in need or who is in difficulty. That will be beneficial for all. Okay, thanks all.